Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix Black Myth Wukong's audio or sound not working. So upon diving on the internet and based on the real-time solutions other players have recommended, here are a few things that you can try and might work for you as well. So the first thing that you can try is to tab out and tab back in, which for some reason fixes the audio desynced. Second thing that you can do is to check shader cache, which might be in need of clearing. If you're using an NVIDIA card, go ahead and open NVIDIA control panel and navigate to manage 3D settings, then global settings, then click on shader cache size and change to disable it. Now restart your PC and open File Explorer. Then navigate to this path. Delete the folder with all the numbers and letters. While for NVIDIA control panel, change the shader cache back to its original value or just 5 GB to be safe. And reboot once more. When you launch the game, it should rebuild its shader cache and hopefully fix your performance. If you're using AMD graphics card, open AMD Radeon software, click the gear icon in the top right, click graphics, scroll down and expand advanced section and hit reset shader cache. So hopefully this works for you. Additionally, you can also go ahead and turn the FPS to 10, wait for a few minutes while the game is building the shader cache, then turn the FPS back to 20 or 30 FPS afterwards. If you're using a wallpaper engine, you can go ahead and close that. And lastly, simply update your graphics card drivers or graphics drivers. That's it for today's video. See you on the next one.